Assalamu everybody, this is my 25th algorithm video, and in this video we would be counting the number of odd and even elements in a list. So for example, the list of number is 1 2 3 4 5. I make a variable of count odd and even. Make a for loop for I in list of numbers, and if the number is even, I increment the count even by 1, else I increment the count of odd by 1. At the end I print count odd and print count even. Now as you can see, there are a total of 3 count odd elements. 1, 3 and 5 are odd, so there are total of 3 odd elements, and there are total of 2 even elements, 2 and 4, as you can see from here. That is all from my side. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.